What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So another great accessory for your Tesla Model 3 is the glass tempered screen protector. I actually just got one in the mail, so I'm going to do an unboxing, an install, and a review. And at the end of this video, I'm actually going to give one of these away because I actually have two. So watch the end of the video where I give you instructions on how you can win one free brand new tempered glass screen protector for your Tesla Model 3. Let's get into the video. What's up guys, thanks for watching another video. If you're new here, my name is Dennis. I just got this Tesla Model 3 and I make videos about my experience, including a weekly autopilot video in Los Angeles traffic. If you're interested in any of that, hit that subscribe. Now I did get this screen protector for free, but that's not going to affect my review in any bit. So let's just open this up. It came in a huge Amazon envelope, as you can imagine, because it's a pretty big screen protector. Let's look at the instructions. Clean screen with microfiber towel, got it. Remove dust, got it. Peel off protector layer, step 1. Carefully place screen protector on screen and then remove any air bubbles using screen card. We got a wet wipe, a dry wipe, and then I guess another towel. So this should be pretty easy. It's basically like a huge iPad screen, of course. So the first step is you got to make sure to put the Tesla Model 3 in screen cleaning mode. So to do that, you hit your settings, go to your display. You're going to scroll down a little bit and hit screen cleaning mode. It should stay in screen cleaning mode until you press and hold exit. So we're going to go ahead and clean the screen. Clean it with a wet wipe first, and then a dry wipe, and then probably the microfiber towel as well to make sure to get all dust. I should have brought my air compressor gun so I can make sure to get all the dust off of here. Okay, now I'm going to take it out of the... Looks like the fitment is pretty good. All right, let's do it. It's like a huge iPhone screen. All right, I'm just going to do it like this. All right, so let's just do this. The fitment looks okay. Okay, so this didn't come with a squeegee or anything either, so I guess that's it. You just kind of just squeeze it on yourself. Okay, I'm just gonna use my ID to kind of squeeze some of these bubbles out, nice and slowly. All right, that's it. Looks pretty good. So now it's the moment of truth to see if the infotainment screen still works with this huge screen protector on it. Alright, so you can't tell at all that there's a screen protector on it, which is pretty nice. Supposedly, it's an oleophobic screen protector, so it helps with fingerprints. It's anti-fingerprint. It's super clear. You can't really see that there's a screen protector on it at all. So it's pretty nice, I would say. I mean, definitely worth the $10 to $15 that you can get these for on Amazon. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you're interested in winning one of these screen protectors, all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel, hit the like button, and comment below that you've done so. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think the screen protector is definitely a must-have accessory because it's a huge screen that you definitely want to protect. With things flying all over the car, you definitely want to protect the screen as much as possible. Let me know your thoughts. There is a matte screen protector that I kind of want to try next. Maybe after I'm done with this one, I'll try the matte one because I've heard the matte one helps with the glare. I've heard that it also helps with fingerprints, which I'm definitely interested in. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.